Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. Today I will start from adolescence. This period is very important. So look at the book. There is a period of life in human beings when a person is neither a child nor an adult. The transitional period of physical and mental development which occurs between childhood and adulthood is called adolescence. So it is the phase of life when any person is neither child nor an adulthood. Between this time, their physical and mental development is already completed. In the most simple words, the period of life between childhood and adulthood is called adolescence. It occurs from an age of about 12 to 20 years. This period covers the teenage 13 to 19. Hence, adolescents are called teenagers. So, what is adolescence? It is a phase of life where a person is not child nor a adult person. Between this time, they are physically and mentally just grooming up. This period is also known as teenage, and the adolescents are also known as teenagers. Adolescence is the time when a lots of changes takes place in the bodies of boys and girls which make their reproductive system mature. During adolescence, the body undergoes a lot of different kinds of physical and mental changes. And adolescents experiences social, emotional, cognitive and the physical changes. These changes indicate that the start of puberty in adolescence. So, in this time, normally in the adolescence period, normally the physical and mental development is just going on. And in case of boys and girls, which make their reproductive system mature. And basically, there are different kinds of changes going on inside their bodies, like physical changes, mental changes, and they are basically inherit different types of experience like social, emotional, physical changes. This shows their puberty. At puberty, sex hormones or gametes begin to be produced, due to which the boys and girls become sexually mature. At the puberty phase, normally sex hormones are going to start releasing, for which they are sexually mature. The period during which adolescent boys and girls reach sexual maturity and become capable to reproduction is called puberty. So, what is puberty? Puberty is a time of life, whereas the normally sexual hormone are start to releasing, and boys and girls are able to sexual reproduction, to reproduce a new baby. This time period is also known as puberty. नेक्स्ट फिजिकल चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग एडोलेसेंस, मतलब एडोलेसेंस के दौरान कि कौन सा चेंज दिखाई देता है. द ह्यूमन बॉडी अंडरगोज मेनी चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग एडोलेसेंस. ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज, teenagers experiences a lot of changes in their body, shape, size, voice, etc. Some of them may grow suddenly as a puberty approaches, whereas some of them show slow changes and developments. So, in case of puberty time, the physically development is just going on. So, some of grow in rapid speed and some of grow in slow. Their body shape, size, voice, all over is already changed. Hormonal secretion from endocrine gland play an important role in the physical growth of adolescents. Normally, when puberty is started, hormonal secretion is going to be started, and they play an important role in physical growth of adolescents. Next, increase in height. The most conspicuous change in the sudden increase in the height of boys and girls. I mean, in the adolescence period, normally the height of boys and girls suddenly changed. Pituitary gland produce growth hormone that leads to the growth of arms and legs and makes a person look tall. So pituitary gland release the growth hormone by which normally the sudden growth of boys and girls just look them tall. A rise in the growth hormone produces a sudden increases in height and weight of both the sexes. So growth hormone basically plays an important role to sudden changes their height and body weight, both female and male. Initially, girls grow faster than boys, but by about 18 years of age, both reach their maximum height. So, normally at this puberty time, girls grow rapidly rather than boys, but the 18 years, both sexes are reach their maximum height. All the parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. Sometimes the arms and legs or hands and feet of adolescents, boys and girls, look oversized and out of proportion with their body. But soon the other parts catch up with them in the growth. This result in a more proportionate body. So what is the meaning of that? Basically एक साथ पूरा बॉडी शेप जो है चेंज नहीं होता है. इस दौरान अगर आर्म और लेग, हैंड, फीट इसका आकार बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है तो वो बॉडी के साथ प्रोपोर्शनेट नहीं होता है. तो नॉर्मली कुछ ही टाइम के बाद पूरा बॉडी शेप प्रॉपर हो जाता है. दिस रिजल्ट इन अ मोर प्रोपोर्शनेट टू द बॉडी. The rate of growth in the height varies in different individuals. Some of them may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down. So normally in this period, puberty के शुरू होने के साथ की कुछ लड़की और लड़का का हाइट डेवलपमेंट बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. तो नॉर्मली कुछ बच्चों का नॉर्मली ग्रोथ जो है वो स्लो डाउन होता है. While others may grow slowly and attain their maximum height. The given table indicates the average rate of growth in height of boys and girls between the age of 12 to 14 years. So here is a chart which shows that normally 12 से लेकर 14 years तक boys and girls का height percentage कैसा रहेगा. So look at the chart. At the age of 12, normally in case of boys, the percentage of full height 84% and in case of girls that is 91%. In case of 13 years, 88% and 95%. And the last 14 years, 92% of boys and 98% of girls. So maximum height उसका 14 years के अंदर ही हो जाता है. If we know the present height of a person and the percentage of his or her full height at present age, we can calculate the full height of the person which she or he will eventually reach. तो नॉर्मली हमको कोई मतलब बॉयज और गर्ल्स का एज पता होगा और उसका परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइट पता है. तो नॉर्मली आफ्टर 18 ईयर्स उसका जो मैक्सिमम हाइट होने वाला है वो हम ऐसे ही कैलकुलेट करके निकाल सकते हैं. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. फुल हाइट कैसे निकालेंगे? प्रेजेंट हाइट ऑफ ए पर्सन. तो नॉर्मली प्रेजेंट एज के साथ उसका जो हाइट है वो लिखेंगे ऊपर बाय परसेंटेज ऑफ फुल हाइट एट प्रेजेंट एज. यहाँ से परसेंटेज उठाएंगे और उसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो नॉर्मली आफ्टर 18 ईयर्स उसका हाइट मैक्सिमम कितना होगा हम लोग पहले से ही कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, change in body shape and appearance. When puberty sets in, a time of rapid changes in body shape and appearance start in boys and girls, which make the boys and girls look different from one another. So when puberty is start, then the rapid changes between the physical of girls and boys that look for everyone, which shows different from boys and girls. from one another. Actually, testes in boys and ovaries in girls make different hormones which make the bodies of boys and girls to develop in different ways. So in this time, I mean, when puberty is started already, so testes and ovaries release their sex hormones, and which plays an important role to their body growth and development. For that, they are quite different from each other. So the changes in body shape occurring in adolescent boys and girls at puberty are different. In boys, generally the muscles of the body grow more prominently than in the girls. So in this time normally लड़के लोगों का muscles बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है लड़की लोगों से. Their shoulders generally broaden more, whereas in girls, the region below their waist becomes wider. So at the puberty time, in case of boys, their shoulders normally broaden more, or rather than girls, whereas their waist part becomes wider. Change in boys. At puberty, the voice box or larynx begins to grow in boys as well as girls. So you must have noticed that the voice of an 8 years old child is different than your voice of 14 years old child. This is because at puberty the voice box or larynx in males start growing. This part is very important. Basically, in the neck region, opposite the neck joint, there is a voice box or larynx which start to grow as well as the starting of puberty. In case of boys, they are normally boys of an 8 years rather than different from the 14 years of old boys, because the puberty at the puberty age the voice box or larynx is male start growing. The bulge at the front of throat or neck is grown up, boys is called Adam's apple. So in case of the neck region, opposite of the neck region, here is the Adam apple that grow properly. Unlike boys, in girls, the larynx does not grow that large in size, hence it is hardly visible in the throat. नॉर्मली गर्ल्स लोगों का जो एडम एप्पल दिखाई नहीं देता है, और हम लोगों का लैरिंग्स भी जो है वो ज़्यादा नहीं इंक्रीज होता है. दैट्स वाई द वॉइस ऑफ गर्ल्स डेवलप्स टू बी हाई पिच्ड, वो श्रील होता है, whereas the boys develop a deep and harsh voice. नॉर्मली गर्ल्स का जो वॉइस है वो श्रील होता है और बहुत लाइट होता है, और इन केस ऑफ बॉयज देयर वॉइस देयर वॉइस विल बी डीप एंड हार्श, और सुनने में बहुत भारी लगता है. नेक्स्ट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेक्स ऑर्गन्स एंड सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स. The onset of puberty brings about complete growth and development of sex organ in boys and girls, due to which their reproductive system start functioning at this stage. In the boys, the testes, penis, and scrotum grow in size rapidly. Boys also develop facial, pubic, and body hair. So, what is that? The onset of puberty brings about complete growth and development of sex organ in boys and girls both. Normally, in this stage, testes, penis, scrotum grow in size rapidly. Boys also develop facial, pubic, and body hair. Normally, in this time, लड़के लोगों का मुंह पे, pubic region पे body hair दिखाई देता है. In girls, breasts start developing as a mammary glands. Normally, at the starting of puberty, breast enlarging is also started. The mammary glands or milk producing glands also grow and develop. They also experience change internally as uterus, vagina, and other parts of the reproductive system start to grow. So in this time, normally in case of girls, their uterus, vagina, and other parts of reproductive system also start to grow. During this period, the girls start their first menstrual period called menarche. So at the puberty is just started, Then the menstrual period is also started, that is also known as menarche. Underline this one. Please student, underline this word. What is menarche? फर्स्ट टाइम जब लड़की लोगों का मेंस्ट्रुअल पीरियड स्टार्ट होता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? मेनोरेक. This marks the beginning of the reproductive phase in females, which make girl capable to bearing a baby. So menarche start that when the menarche start, it shows the girl is able to produce a new baby. I mean, they are capable for bearing a baby. So student, I hope all of you have understood what I've discussed today. So for today up to this portion.